In this tutorial, we will look at how to create a simple schedule. On the Schedule tab, click Project View. The project view is similar to the Gantt chart view and is where you can define a schedule. To define a schedule, we first need to add a task. To add a task, left-click in the first row and type in a task name. By default, the task has a duration of 5 days. To add more tasks, you can either repeat the last step or right-click on the task and click Copy Task. Highlight the next row down, right-click, then left-click Paste Task. Repeat this 3 more times until you have a total of 5 tasks. Now you may add links between tasks. Select the first 2 tasks from the schedule and calendar groups and click the Finish to Start button. You can now see that Task 1 is the predecessor to Task 2. Next, highlight Tasks 2 to 5 and left-click the Finish to Start button. You will now have a simple project schedule with links defined between the activities. You can define Finish to Start, Start to Start, Finish to Finish, and Start to Finish links. To create a summary task, select Tasks 2 to 4, then click the Indent button. Task 1 will now be a summary task. You can also use the Outdent button to move activities up a level.